How to enable or disable display donations on lock screen on the iPhone 16 series. First, let's go back to the home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. Then on the home screen, tap on Settings. Now from the Settings page, we scroll down to the bottom and then tap on Developer. If you do not have the Developer option, you can turn it on by going into Privacy and Security. Then we scroll down to the bottom. In here, tap on Developer Mode and then make sure Developer Mode is turned on. Now I'm going to go back into Settings, then tap on Developer. Then we scroll down, and in here we can tap on Display Donations on Lock Screen. Tap on the toggle button to turn it on or switch it off. And here say when turned on, the most recently donated shortcuts will be shown on the lock screen. After that, you can swipe up to go back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.